everybody, Negative Light, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this little create contraption. This is what we're calling the first workbench. This is a creation by Helix, but because I need this in my survival world, I thought, why not go ahead and take y'all there? Okay, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get all the materials ready, but go ahead and check out this time lapse of some stuff I did on stream recently. Okay, so what y'all are watching is me setting up my base area. We got a couple different spots, a storage hall, a bakery, a workshop, a blacksmith, and obviously my house, which I'll all be building throughout a couple other streams, as well as a fun project in the dock coming soon. But we're gonna be placing this build inside of the workshop area, and I think it's gonna be pretty useful overall. Okay, everything you see up in this chest is what you'll need to build this contraption. One thing, trapdoors, doesn't matter what trapdoor type you use. So that's one thing. The second thing is that I am missing the blaze burner as I have to go to the nether. And finally, you also will want to keep the chest. Okay, so to get started, we're going to go ahead and build this guy. So wherever you're wanting a wall, you're gonna wanna go ahead and count 2 spaces forward, and that's where you're going to want to place your crafting table. Next, you'll want to place a depot, something that you can easily take back off to place your water wheel, and you'll have to go down below it or above it, right click to rotate it into the right position. You should have now this face where the shaft of your water wheel is pointing out. Next, you'll place one of your large cogs, and you'll grab your small cog and place it where it just is hovering like that. That is necessary because the mixer has to be at a very specific speed. Follow that by placing another large cog, and you'll want to place one last large cog, making this 90-degree angle. Then we'll go ahead and set up our press system. So you'll go ahead and place your depot just beside your crafting table, and then you will shift right click to place your press right in there. It's receiving power from this large cog. Then you're going to go ahead and place your trap doors on either side of the cog that's powering your press. You might have to hop up on here and then just shift right click. That is where we're going to place our water. So you will want to dig down 1 block and get your bucket of water and just right click on the large cog. I like this design. You can move the water to other locations. For example, Helix prefers to have it flowing in the ground because it is a little bit easier to maintain. Finally, we're going to go ahead and set up our mixing station, which will require you placing a temporary block beside the large cog that's over your press, and then you'll place your mixer beside that temporary block. Finally, you'll want to either place your blaze burner, for now I'm using that dirt block, and then your basin. If you had a blaze burner, you would place it just underneath the basin, giving you everything you need to do. And finally, just a little touch I liked, I went ahead and added a chest to add some storage to this system. And that is how you make your first workbench. It's super easy to use and super helpful whenever you're doing large batch work for create. For example, I'm going to be using this to making a bunch of plates and different things to actually go get this blaze burner and do some other fun projects in the future. So make sure to subscribe and like, and check out my next live stream. Support the channel on Ko-fi and all those other fun things. Without further ado, this is Negative Light signing out, and God bless y'all.